Hi everyone, this is Beth Butler with Hope Unlimited, where we help overwhelmed professionals excel and exhale. Today I want to tell you about the Breath of Hope Collective. This is a division of my company that offers resources that can be helpful to anyone in any career. I'm going to shrink my screen so I can tell you a little bit more what I'm talking about. The Breath of Hope Collective is available at breathofhopecollective.teachable.com or through my website at bethbutler.com. And this particular one I'm pointing out to you is just part of the many resources that I am offering and plan to offer as the months go on through the Breath of Hope Collective. But the concept of it is that this will give a library of resources easily accessible to people of any income level. In this particular case, these are 4 online courses, mostly divided into short segments so that you can take them in a little at a time. I envision people doing this at lunchtime or perhaps a coffee break or stopping at a coffee shop and before work in the morning and taking in these 10 to 15 minute segments at a time with actionable steps a little bit at a time that will help you improve some of the areas that you might be feeling overwhelmed in. There's a couple of courses currently available on email, which I know can be a source of great stress to people. Also, a more in-depth class on your calendar management, and then some tips for unlocking the doors for a peaceful workday. Now, what makes these resources unique is that this division is operated with more of what's sometimes referred to as a gift economy mindset. Our executive virtual assistance packages and our virtual specialist services are fee-based, but for this division of the company, for the foreseeable future, I feel prompted to offer it with a very low or no barrier to entry so that people of any income can improve their career life through some of this education. And I also know there are people out there who can afford to give something toward enrolling in a course or downloading a resource. And so I'm choosing to just trust that my needs will be taken care of. They always have been. I don't think that's going to change anytime soon. So I'm offering these things for anyone who would like to improve their career life. How that works is you'll see when you go to a course, it will give you the information about it, and you can scroll down and see what the curriculum would be. And then you have various options to get started. And each course has an option that's free, where you could just simply enroll without paying a dime. But if you choose or want to give some type of a gift toward the anticipated value of the course to you, you have some options here in various formats. And then you can also click here, which leads you to a general PayPal page where you can put in any amount that you want to give a voluntary payment for a Breath of Hope Collective resource. When we receive a payment, you'll receive an email that will invite you to be listed as a sponsor for the year that your gift is received for the Breath of Hope Collective. And there's various levels of sponsorship, and that's a listing on our website that's sometimes promoted to the public. So you will be given that option if you'd like to be listed. We appreciate the opportunity to provide resources like this, and we're going to leave it entirely up to the people involved whether they want to give something toward it, or it would, if it best fits their budget, to just enroll free and perhaps just tell other people about it. In any case, we hope these resources will be very helpful to you. Look forward to adding more things to this section, as well as some other types of information and the continuing blog post on various topics as well. If you have any questions about this or want to know more, feel free to contact me through my site, bethbutler.com. Thanks very much for following me and being interested in what we're offering. And I'm always open to your suggestions to the types of things you want to learn more about. And if you happen to have a need for virtual assistants or virtual service providers with specialists such as bookkeeping or graphic design, I can help connect you to those that can help you, whether on a short-term basis, an occasional basis, or if you're interested in trying out virtual assisting in a relationship that would be ongoing. We also have some packages that are very flexible. Thanks so much and have a wonderful, productive day.